Hey, I'm David Barrett. I'm the National Program Director for the Master's Certificate in Project Management through the Schulich Exec Ed. Listen, we're really excited. This is the first time in 25 years that we are being able to offer this program during the evenings. This is a special offering. We're still running right now a cohort during the winter, spring of 2023. They're on their way. But we are running and starting April the 18th, running through to December the 6th, an opportunity for people who cannot give up a Friday and Saturday, who can't give up hours at work and or with their family, an opportunity to take the program 3 hours in the evenings, twice a week, with a gap in between each module. So we'd probably go 2 weeks, 2 nights each week, and then a gap, a whole week off, and then start again. It's kind of the routine from April to December. Same great program, same great content. Simulation running through a cohort of people so you meet new contacts. It's a fabulous way to meet people. And more importantly, the same program that takes your project management careers to the next level. I mean, seriously, we are teaching you over 18 days with group work, with templates, with documents, and everything you can take back to your space and say, listen, I can be a great project manager. Now I really get it. And prepare you for the PMI exam. 25 hours of online education on top of all of those 18 days available to our students in order to help them prep for the PMP exam, if that's your journey. About 30 to 40% of our students go on to that journey in a PMP preparation or PMP designation. And they do extremely well, by the way. So evenings only, 3 nights, twice a week, 3 hours, twice a week, couple of modules or a couple of weeks in a row to do one module. We take a break and we do another module. We run from April the 18th to December the 6th. Great instructors, different for every module, great connections, great education. I promise you it's well worth it. If you can't do this program during the days, this is a fabulous opportunity. Have a look at the program online, connect with our salespeople, through them connect with me if you wish, and we can talk about you and your project management careers and how we can help you through Schulich Exec Ed. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'm David Barrett, and hopefully we'll see you in April. Bye-bye.